Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to disable keyboard sounds on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser right here and scroll a little bit down. If you wanted to turn off the keyboard noise on your iPhone, open the settings app and go to the sounds and haptics and then keyboard feedback and turn sound on or off. So I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, scroll a little bit down, and then I'm going to find what it says, sounds and haptics, and I'm going to just go ahead right here. Basically scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see keyboard feedback, you're gonna see sounds and haptic, and the haptic means basically, in other words, vibration or the shaking when you type with your keyboard. You could just go ahead and toggle it off and only you will hear the sounds, and if you want to disable the sound, just go ahead and disable the sound, so you won't only hear the vibration or the haptic or the vibration basically. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.